Hello everyone and welcome to Ryan and Chad's Art History video. Today I'm going to focus on a piece from Mesoamerica in a civilization called the Olmecs. This piece is entitled the Azulzul Twins. The Olmecs are known as America's first civilization and Mesoamerica's mother culture. As noted by Thames and Hudson in the book entitled The Olmecs are one of antiquity's most mysterious, most fascinating, most poorly understood, and most controversial civilizations. The Olmecs flourished in today what is central and southern Mexico and northern Central America, along the coast of the Gulf of Mexico, between the years 1500 and 400 BC. They lived in the Gulf lowlands and are the only ancient civilization to thrive in lowland tropical forests, making them an important case study in the evolution of civilizations. If you haven't heard about the Olmecs, you might have seen their handiwork. The Olmecs are most well known for their spectacular stone sculptures, in particular their huge stone colossal heads. These things are made out of volcanic rock called basalt. These things are massive. Most of them weigh up to 20 tons. That's 40,000 pounds. Now that is what you call a megalith. Unfortunately, this pioneering civilization disappeared rather mysteriously, and due to the acid-rich tropical soils of Olmen, no Olmec skeleton survived, rendering their physical appearance a mystery. Luckily, Olmecs have cave paintings depicting what we can assume they actually look like. And if you look at these pictures, the way their ankles bow out to the left and to the right, they kind of look dislocated, right? This is what's known as a combination of the stylized and natural. This is the same technique the Egyptians used. So the piece I chose is called the Azulzul Twins and the Jaguars. This piece gets its name from the archaeological site where it was found. El Azulzul is an Olmec archaeological site in Veracruz, Mexico, just south of San Lorenzo Complex. The San Lorenzo Complex is believed to be the capital of the Olmec civilization. This art I have chosen consists of 4 separate sculptures. A set of twins facing off against a set of jaguars. When discovered, the 2 statues of the twins were facing east, one behind the other. Some researchers have suggested that these twins are forerunners of the Mayan hero twins of the Popol Vuh. These twins are widely believed to be priests, because each twin is grasping a ceremonial bar with his right hand and his left over the bar. And it is believed that they are holding the Mesoamerican world tree, or also described as an axis mundi. Facing these 2 humans were 2 feline-like statues, generally identified as jaguars, slightly larger than the humans they faced. The exact known date this sculpture was made is unknown, but we can assume that it is over 3,000 years old. The purpose or use for these sculptures are also unknown, but what is known is what they are made out of, and they are made out of the volcanic rock called basalt. In Olmec folklore, these are the twins that saved their civilization from the underworld. One interesting thing is the twins' headdresses and the damage that it has. This could be due to stolen precious jewels that used to be on there, or it could have been damaged to destroy any identifying insignia. If I could describe the Olmecs in one word, it would be sophisticated.
The Nebra sky disk is the oldest astrological depiction of the night sky found to date that is portable. 2 robbers had found it while using a metal detector over the Gozek Circle, one of the oldest astrological sites found in Europe. Some scientists believe that these sites were used for the calculations of the harvests in the year. The Gozek Circle is the oldest observatory in Europe. The Nebra sky disk was found near where the Gozek Observatory is located, in Germany. Scientists believe the Nebra sky disk was made near the site and was meant to be used in that area. According to the scientists, the angles of the moon and the constellation on the sky disk correctly line up with a specific latitude which is near the observatory, and therefore speculated that they are connected or are meant to be used together. Some scientists believe the sky disk was just a mobile version of the Gozek Circle. The Nebra sky disk was created out of bronze gathered from the area. The color you see now is a greenish blue, but this was probably not the case. It was much darker according to scientific analysis. According to the findings, to achieve the color, the creator applied rotten eggs to the bronze and let stand until his color was desired. Gold was inlaid to represent the constellations, stars, and the moon, along with other unknown objects. 23 gold stars can be found on this piece, along with 3 gold arcs, a crescent moon, and the sun. The most notable of the star clusters on the sky disk is the Pleiades constellation. Other ancient civilizations used Pleiades as an important marker in the sky. The Pleiades was especially important for the sky disk because during the harvest season, the constellation would be showing. To further concrete the origins of the sky disk to the Gothic circle, if you measure the angle from the center of the sun to the ends of the crescent moon, you will measure 82 degrees. The 2 points that make up the 82 degrees shows where the sun goes down and comes up for the solstices. If you moved north or south, the 82 degrees would not sync up between the Nebra sky disk and the observatory. One object stands out on the sky disk, and that is the lower band. Scientists argue that it is a representation of a sunship like the Egyptians believed carried Ra, their most divine god. Or it could represent a river or possibly the Milky Way.
I don't know just what I'd do if the Lord wasn't walking by my side while I was drifting